Yeah, why?
I'm talking about something I haven't really said. I hijacked pregnancy.
What?
Mine that night, your party. I'm not afraid of anything. I'm nothing scares me. I love that. And you never just forget me. I don't expect you to forgive me. Just.